First alert weather will bring Scott in the conversation. Be sure to join us 2 weeks from today, actually, and we do the story of how many trips to the attic it takes to put all of that away. The dad in me is looking like, that's awesome, and that's going to take me 18 hours to put it away.
So true. But like you said, it's beautiful. It really does warm your heart to see so many people enjoying going out. But, Scott, they're going out there today?
In the cold.
It'll be cold.
Oh, yeah, very cold. Doug, I'm the same. How many boxes? And then I get the call from Dad, too. Hey, can you help me put stuff back up in the attic? I'm like, Mom, we need to find a Christmas closet. Everything goes in there, and we just pull it back out. It's on the lowest level. All right, first alert weather days. We called this earlier this week to alert you to the fact of the big changes on the way today and into Friday. So strong winds continue through about 8 o'clock. We still have that wind advisory through 8. Then those gusts will come down just a bit. Now, the temperatures will fall into the teens and the single digits overnight. We're already in the teens in a lot of spots of North Texas. Wind chill advisory remains in effect. Hard freeze warning now in effect. Nearing the freezing mark, though, on Saturday afternoon, so we gradually start to warm up. But the last 10 hours, at 8 o'clock, it was 37 degrees, so the front's moving through, then 27 by 9, and then we continue to drop as we went through the day. By about 5 o'clock, it was 15 degrees, but feeling like 4 degrees below zero. So where are we right now? We're at 14 degrees with a north wind at 25. You can see our camera shaking from time to time. It feels like 5 degrees below zero right now at DFW, and the dew point, that measure of the moisture in the atmosphere, is 2 degrees below zero. Do not be surprised if there's a lot of static electricity in your house tonight and even into tomorrow. Our temperatures are down to the single digits now in Bowie at 9 degrees. We're at 10 in Paris, to about 13 Waxahachie, 13 in Stephenville. So the feels like temperature, that's also the bigger story because those winds are still strong out of the north-northwest near 25 to 30. It feels like 5 below at DFW. Same story in McKinney, to 4 below in Rockwall, to 6 below in Mineral Wells. Paris right now feeling like 11 degrees below zero, 8 degrees in Gainesville, 8 degrees in Bowie. So remainder of the night tonight, our temperatures about 17 to 15 degrees off and on. We will see those north-northwest winds holding on for us. Still feeling like, again, 5 to 10 degrees below zero. And the feels like temperature forecast shows these dangerous wind chills on the way. Through the remainder of the night and into tomorrow morning, feeling like anywhere between 5 below to about 10 below, especially up near parts of our Red River counties, to possibly near 15 below, and then into tomorrow afternoon, back up to feeling like maybe 10 degrees above zero. So this wind chill advisory remains in effect through noon for tomorrow because of those wind chills as low as 15 degrees below zero. So please keep that in mind. Definitely bundle up. Hard freeze warning in effect until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, issued when temperatures are going to be 10 degrees or lower, already there in some spots. But you saw kind of like that sneak peek of the forecast. Any of the snow flurries that were here today, the dry airs just kind of got them on out of here. So we're down to 9 tonight. We're up to 34 for Saturday, down to 21 degrees on Sunday morning. We make it to 43 for Christmas afternoon. And then into next week, we warm up. By the time we get to next Thursday, your high temperature near 70 degrees.